Here we have the INKBIRD Plus smoke gun. We've got the main unit. It takes 4 AA batteries. Comes with an aluminum hopper with 3 mesh filters that go in the hopper, like so. Also comes with a well-made silicone hose and a nipple, which attaches to one end of the hose. There's also a disc lid that attaches to the nipple, and the other end of the hose attaches to the main unit. So that's everything that came in the box. It also has 6 different containers of wood. We got beech, oak, hickory, apple, cherry, and pear. Also comes with a pair of tweezers, a cleaning brush, and 2 extra mesh filters. Tried it out on a piece of cooked salmon. I had a cake container that left over, and I just went ahead and used that to smoke it in. After loading the hopper with some cherry wood, I turned it on and fired it up. When I noticed smoke coming out of the hose, I took one end of it and put it under the container until it filled up with smoke. Then I just let it sit for about 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so here it is, my piece of salmon. It's got a pretty smoky smell to it. I can smell the wood. We'll see if I can taste it. Yeah, it's pretty good. I didn't season it because I wanted to make sure that I taste the smoke. It's definitely on there. Next time I'll have to try a drink, but not too bad. Not bad. If you can't get out, you don't have a smoker, and you want to cook indoors, you know, get that smoke flavor. Take you a piece of food, use the smoke gun. As you can see, it's putting out quite a bit of smoke. And we're going to take it. Now I'm going to shut it off, and we'll just let that sit there for 3 to 5 minutes. Well, let's take a shot of some smoked bourbon, shall we? Not bad. Not bad. Nice hickory flavor. You can really smell the smoke. I'd give that INKBIRD smoke gun probably about a 9. Yeah. Maybe a 9.5. But anyway, if you want to check out that product, I left the link for INKBIRD down in the description box below.